morning everyone. Today we will start next topic of central tendency, that is the quartile. If we just think about the quartile, it means that is the part of 1/4. It means suppose that is a one single line and you have to divide in the different area. This is the one part, two part, three part. If you are drawing the three lines, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. मतलब एक का 4 पार्ट करना है तो we use the 3 lines only, and that lines called first is the Q1, second is the Q2, and third is the Q3. Clear? This is all about that quartile. It means when we are talking about the m, it means the mid value, and this is the 1/2. It means the half of the 2. This is the half. So this is called m, and Q1, Q2 and Q3 is the quartile ratio. Quartile. Clear? Now we will start how to calculate the quartiles value. Right? When we are talking about the quartiles, so quartiles is the Q1. This is the same formula according to the m. Listen, Q1 equal to when we are using the individual series, Q1 equal to what is the formula of m? What about the formula of m? When we are using the m, that is the n plus 1 by 2. But here we need the 4 part of the one line. So it should be the size of n plus 1. See students here carefully. Same formula we are used. Whatever we are using, median. But it is the divided by 4th observation. It is divided by 4. Why it is divided by 4? This is a quartile. It means the 1 by 4. Now when we are using the Q1 for the discrete series, again the same formula, size of n plus 1 by 4th observation. Clear? But when we are talking about the same individual series Q3, so 3 means the third part. Third part, it means the size of 3n plus 1 by 4th observation. Clear? It means this data we have to multiply by 3. And the discrete series again the same, size of 3n plus 1 by 4th observation. Clear? And when we are talking about the continuous series as well as in median, we are using the double formula. So for continuous series, Q1 equal to size of n by 4th observation. Listen, यहाँ हम plus 1 का फंडा यूज नहीं करेंगे. Now Q1 equal to n plus, वहाँ हम लोग क्या लिखते थे मीडियन में n by 2. यहाँ क्या यूज करेंगे n by 4 minus CF upon F into C. Now for Q3, size of 3 n by 4th observation, and for Q3 n plus 3 n by 4 minus CF upon F into C. These are the formula of the quartile. Fine? Quartile it means 1 by 4. We are just focusing here. In M we are using the 2 and in Q we are using the 4 because M it is the half of the main one line and Q is the third. 3 लाइन से हम लोग 4 डिवाइड करते हैं. Fine. So now we are discuss this with help of the examples. Write down first example for individual series. As you know, in the individual series there is only observations are given. Clear? Only observations are given. So write down for one example of that quartile. We are using the 2 name of the quartile also. Q1 for Q1 we are using the lower quartile value, and Q3 it is the upper quartile value. If in the sum that is the given, find out the lower quartile and upper quartile, so its mean is Q1 and Q3. Fine. So first write down the example of the same. So here the 44, 46, then 35, then 28, 52, 54, 43, 35, 49, 46, 50 and 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Clear? These are the 11 datas. Now, whatever we are done in the M, that same process we have to do. So first serial number we have to write down. As we calculate, these are the 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Fine. Now arrange the data as per the ascending order. So first you just see that 3, 1, 35, 35 and 28 is the less than. So 28, then 35, then 35, then 4 का सीरीज देखो 43, 43, then 46, 46, 46, then 40, sorry, before the 46, 41 is there, 43, 41, 43, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and on the 6, 43, then 46, 46, then 49, then 50, then 52 and 54, 52 and 54. It means as per the median you have to write down the as a ascending order of this data. Now just use the formula of the individual series. So Q1 equal to size of n plus 1 by 4th observation. So size of what is the n plus 1 by 4th observation. So size of 12 by 4th observations. So size of 3rd observation. Fine. So you just see in the what is the your 3rd observation as you done in the median also. So what is your 3rd observation beta? Our 3rd observation is your 35. So your Q is 30. Q1 equal to 35. Now listen students. This is the जब भी हमको Q की वैल्यू चाहिए, M की वैल्यू चाहिए, Q3 की वैल्यू चाहिए, we are using just the X. हम X में से ही वो वैल्यू निकालते हैं ना. Now for the Q3, size of 3 n plus 1 by 4th observation. So size of 3 यहाँ ऑलरेडी हम वैल्यू निकाल चुके हैं, तो यहाँ डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं 3rd observation. So size of 3 3s are 9. So 9th observation. So your Q3 becomes, which is the 9th observation, C in X. So it is the 50. So Q1 equal to Q3 equal to 50. Clear? Q1 equal to 35 and Q3 equal to 50. Very simple method. This is for the individual series. Now we will do one more sum of the individual series. Now write down the data for the individual series. Just Q1 X is given to you. So just write down the data. X is 60, 38, 46, 43, 50, 58, 65 and 69. Fine. So what we have to do? First arrange the this is in the ascending order. Clear students? So just write down the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now your X, we have to put in the ascending order. So what is our ascending order? What is our data? Just write down. Minimum is the 38. So 38, then 43 and 46. So 43, then 46, then 46, then 50, then 50, then 58. So we have to write 58 and then 60, then 60, 65 and 69. We just arrange the data in the ascending order. Clear? Now, what we have to do? What we have to do? We have to do the Q1 and Q3 as usual. So what is the formula of Q1? Q1 equal to size of n plus 1 by 4th observation. So size of what is n? 8. So 8 plus 1 by 4th observation. It means size of 9 by 4th observation. You just divide this into the 4. So 2.25 your observation. It means your observation should be the size of 2.25th observation. Now that is our question कि मैडम इसमें तो 2.25 हम कहाँ से लेके आएंगे? When we are talking about the median, है ना, median की बात करते हैं तो हम क्या करते थे? Second observation plus third observation divided by 2. बट यहाँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है हमें. क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ क्या होता था बेटा 0.5 is given to you, so you are easily half कर देते थे. But it is the 2.5. Now how can it is possible? So second observation plus third observation divided by 2. It is a wrong method. So यहाँ के लिए हम कुछ दूसरा यूज करेंगे फॉर्मूला. So Q1 equal to second observation plus 0.25. यहाँ जितना भी आता है वो हमें यहाँ लिखना है plus 0.25 into third observation minus second observation. So just which is the second observation beta? 43. So put the 43 here. 0.25. Third observation 46 minus 43. So 43, 0.25 and 3. So 43 plus 0.25 multiply by 3. So it should be the 0.75. Fine? 0.75. So your Q1 equal to 43.75. Is it clear, bacha? That is the different formula we are using when we got the decimal area in this point. Now, as usual, we have to find out the Q3 also. So Q3 equal to size of 3 n plus 1 by 4th observation. Fine. So size of 3, as we know, 2.25th observation. Fine. So just multiply with 3. So your answer becomes 7. Your answer should be 6.75. 6.75th observation. Again, that is a question mark. ये half तो है नहीं, 0.5 तो है नहीं, तो हम इसको half कर सकते हैं. So we have to use same type of formula whatever we are using in the Q1. So just use this formula. So how we can use? So 6.75. So Q3 equal to 6th observation. 6th observation plus 0.75. 7th observation minus 6th observation. Fine. Which is the 6th observation beta? 60. So 60 plus 0.75. 7th observation 65. So 65 minus 60. So 60 plus 0.75 multiplied by 5. So you got the answer 0.75 multiplied by 5. It should be the 3.75. 3.75. So your Q3 becomes 63.75. Clear, students? This is the simple logic behind it. अगर हमारे पास 0.5 था, हमने हाफ ऑफ कर दिया मीडियन में, बट यहाँ 0.25, 0.75 आ रहा है तो हम हाफ ऑफ नहीं कर सकते. तो we can use this formula for that purpose. Clear? Now we are using right now individual series. Now we are doing the discrete series formula. Discrete series, it means your frequency and x is given to you. In the discrete series, your frequency and x is given to you. So use of the frequency, you are doing that formula. So 10 to 70. So question number 3, x equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Clear? Now frequency is also given to you. Whenever the frequency given, keep in your mind, you just find out the cumulative frequency. 2, 3, 5, 10. 2, 3, 5, 10. 5, 3, 2. 5, 3, 2. So what is your end, beta? Just calculate the sum of the frequency is your end. So it is the 30. Now find out the cumulative frequency. As you know, what is the cumulative frequency? Add of frequency. 2, 2 plus 3, 5. 5, 5, 10. 10, 10, 20. 20 and 5, 25. 25 and 3, 28. 28 and 2, 30. 30, 30 means your cumulative frequency is correct. Now calculate the Q1. Find out the Q1. So what is the formula? हम लोग नीचे कर लेते हैं. Q1 equal to size of n plus 1 by 4th observation. So size of n, it is 30. 30 plus 1 by 4th observation. So size of 31 by 4th observation. Just divide this with the 4. 4 से divide करो बेटा इसको. When we are dividing with 4, it should be the 7.75. So size of 7.75th observation. Now listen students, यहाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना. यहाँ हमें बहुत दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ 7.75 है, तो you just see the cumulative frequency. 7.75 is the this interval. ये यहाँ कनेक्ट हो जाएगा 7.75. So see the x of this. This is the x. मैंने पहले भी बोला था Q1, M और Q3 की वैल्यू हम x पे डिपेंड करते हैं. So this is your x. Yes. So your Q1 equal to 30. Easy. Keep in your mind, if the unit is given, marks, rupees, so you have to write down the unit with this only. Now Q3. So Q3 equal to size of 3 n plus 1 by 4th observation. So it should be the size of 3 n plus 1 by 4th value. We already got the 7.75th observation. Just multiply by 3. 7.75 multiply by 3. It should be 23.25. 20 size of 23.75th observation. Clear? Now see in the STFOQ. 23.75 consider here. What is the x? 50. So your Q3 equal to 50. Clear students? This is about the individual series, discrete series. तो आज हमने क्या क्या देख लिया? हमने इंडिविजुअल सीरीज भी देख ली है और डिस्क्रीट सीरीज भी देख ली है. दोनों सीरीज का फॉर्मूलाज के साथ हमारा काम कंप्लीट हो चुका है. नाउ टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स वी विल स्टार्ट द Q1 विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.